100 Push-Ups Every Day Challenge, the ultimate health boost experiment. The 100 push-ups per day challenge is a popular fitness experiment that many people undertake to improve their strength, endurance, and overall health. The idea is simple. Do 100 push-ups every day for a certain period, typically ranging from 30 days to several months, and observe the physical and mental benefits. Here are some potential benefits of the 100 push-ups per day challenge. Increased strength. Push-ups primarily work the muscles in your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Doing 100 push-ups every day can help you build and tone these muscles, leading to increased strength and muscle definition. Improved endurance. As you continue with the challenge, you'll likely notice improvements in your endurance. Push-ups require muscular endurance, and performing them regularly can help increase your ability to sustain physical activity for longer periods. Convenience. Push-ups require no equipment and can be done almost anywhere, making them a convenient exercise option for busy schedules or when you don't have access to a gym. Mental discipline. Committing to a daily exercise challenge like this requires discipline and mental toughness. Overcoming the challenge can boost your confidence and motivation, both in fitness and other areas of your life. Overall health. Regular exercise, including bodyweight exercises like push-ups, is linked to numerous health benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, better mood, increased energy levels, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. However, it's important to approach the challenge with caution and listen to your body. Doing 100 push-ups every day might be too intense for some people, especially beginners or those with certain health conditions. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Start slow. If you're new to exercise or haven't done push-ups in a while, start with a smaller number of repetitions and gradually increase over time. This will help prevent injury and allow your muscles to adapt to the workload. Listen to your body. If you experience pain or discomfort beyond the normal muscle fatigue that comes with exercise, it's important to listen to your body and take a break. Pushing through pain can lead to injury. Rest and recovery. Give your muscles time to rest and recover between workouts. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and increased risk of injury. Consider incorporating rest days or alternating between different muscle groups to allow for adequate recovery. Combine with other exercises. While push-ups are a great exercise, it's beneficial to incorporate a variety of movements into your fitness routine to target different muscle groups and prevent boredom. Consider adding exercises like squats, lunges, and rows to create a well-rounded workout program. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from any fitness challenge. Stick to the plan, stay patient, and celebrate your progress along the way.